guys, welcome to Group 4610 Buying Real Estate Blog. I'm here again with Jill East-Trotter from Fidelity National Home Warranty, and we wanted to talk to you today about home warranties and specifically homes with seller's coverage. A lot of properties out there, especially the equity homes, the seller takes out seller's coverage on the property, and what that means is they've already chosen the home warranty for you, and then you're going to take over that home warranty and they're going to provide it to you for 1 year. For example, Jill, I have a client, we just wrote an offer, executed a deal in Scottsdale, and the lady bought seller's coverage, so she already has it on the current property. And my big thing to my clients right now is obviously this new air conditioning, regulation.
Yes.
And it's an older home. It was built in the 80s, and it hasn't had the air conditioning replaced. The air conditioner's running fine, it's working. Told her to keep it serviced, every year, make sure it's serviced and well taken care of. But I want to make sure she's covered, and I'm not sure that the company that the seller has is covering things like you are.
Correct.
So what is your recommendation on that?
In Arizona, the home warranty plan is fully cancelable if you choose not to want that warranty plan. So the seller, once they get a contract in place, can cancel the listing coverage they have with their current client or the current home warranty company, and then give the buyer what they want in terms of company choice. So that way the buyer knows what they're getting. The seller's going to be paying the exact same amount of money, if not a little bit more or less.
Right.
But they get the coverage that they want, because not all warranty companies are the same.
Right, and even in that, if it's a little bit more, the buyer could
Has peace of mind.
chip in $10 or
Yes.
$20 or whatever just to make up the slight difference.
Right, but the point is, in Arizona, the policy is fully cancelable.
Okay.
Okay.
And it has to be done by the seller before closing.
Correct.
Not afterwards.
Correct.
Got it, okay. And then if they don't, or for those buyers out there that have already purchased a home, when they get to their 1 year mark, of course they are going to have the option to look for other home warranty companies.
Certainly, we sell warranties direct all the time, meaning to a non-moving homeowner who's not in an escrow transaction, and coverage starts the day we get payment as opposed to the close of escrow, but it's still the same coverage, and they have complete, peace of mind for their property.
Right.
Okay?
What do you recommend people, obviously they should go with Fidelity,
Of
but
course.
what do you recommend people look for when they're looking at a home warranty? Like, what are the major things out there that consumers don't know about?
You have got to look at the fine print of a contract and look at the limits of liability. There are so many policies out there today, especially in Maricopa County. This is a very, very competitive real estate market. Look at the fine print, look at the limits of liability. For example, in our product, we do not have a limit on a haul-away fee. There's no limits on a permit. There's no limits on the major appliances, where if you have a fridge that goes out and they'll give you $200 towards the cost of it, you're not really getting anything. So read the fine print and look at the section of the contract that states limits of liability and exclusions. Because in one part of the contract they could be giving you coverage, but on the back end they take it back out and it's not worth it.
Now, what is the haul-away fee?
A haul-away fee is what a contractor will charge to take away that old system or appliance.
Got it.
So they can
Oh,
charge
haul.
anywhere, haul away. So it could be, to haul away a large water heater, it could be $150, $200,
Right.
because they have to take it to different places and such. But if there's a limit on it, then you're out of pocket not only the service call fee,
Right, but
now the haul away charge
Right.
too. So just find out what the limits are. Happy to say Fidelity doesn't have those currently, and offering more coverage to the consumer.
perfect. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks.